Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy TyShawn. In this video, I want to talk to y'all about a few emails I received and everything, and how they tie in to a YouTube short I made talking about why you shouldn't allow women to waste your energy and time. I know that sounds kind of messed up, for a woman to hear, but there's a reason behind this. The video was mainly pertaining to, like, say for example, you meet this woman at work. There's a lot of dudes out here that will sit there and just keep talking to a woman knowing that he really likes her, but he won't ask her out because he ain't got the balls. So let me get into the messages that I received, and I want y'all to hear this and y'all tell me where y'all think they went wrong at, because I'm gonna speak my truth. All right, it says, "Hey man, just wanted to say I see your vision. Keep up the good work." Well, thanks a lot, man. I'm just doing me. It says, "My question is this. You said stop wasting your energy on women in one of your videos, right?" Yeah, I did say that. But like I said though, like, if you like the woman, why are you sitting there pretending to be her friend? Either you want to talk to her on a different level, or you gonna stay in friend zone. The choice is yours, my boy. It says, "So I've been talking to this girl at work for like 3 months, and I think it's about time to ask for her number." Her, what the heck are you waiting 3 months for, dude? Like, this is friend zone stuff. When you do stuff like this, she putting you in a category because you ain't making a move. Like, either you want to mess with her or you don't want to mess with her. You got two options, and it's not like the hardest thing to do. Like, just go after what you want. And women respect men that's more honest and courageous in that aspect. It says, "I feel we got to know each other very well at this point." Yeah, you told her your whole life. You see, and that's the problem. I'll be telling dudes, like, if you want to go out with a woman, you don't sit there and sell yourself over the phone. You sell them in person. But your predicament is you see her every day, so you selling her at work. And what's gonna happen is she gonna gauge you and judge you and tell herself how she's gonna feel about you before she even go on the date. So at this point, it's a chance that she might not even want to even kick with you, man. How hard do okay? I feel that we got to know each other very well at this point. How hard do you think it would be to get her number? Well, it shouldn't be hard because you're a friend now. Like, you put yourself in friend zone. The only way to get out of friend zone is to change her perception of you. Like the phrase we used to use in the military: perception is reality. If you see something, then more than likely you're gonna start believing that, because that's just how people are sometimes. A lot of people don't want to do the deep dive in and trying to analyze and learn new things about things. So that's my take on your friend zone that you dug yourself into, man. You can change her perception by being a different person entirely, or just stay the same and just accept your L. Next one says, "Good morning, Cold Labz. Well, over here it's nearly the evening in Ohio, so what's up?" It says, can you answer me this? I'm not sure if you help women." Of course I help women. I got a couple female friends, I tell them the truth. I let them know that, men, the way we think, it is what it is, man, so I got you. It says, "But this is what I have. There's these guys at work and they do nice things for me because I'm pretty." You can see that right there. That's sim talk. I'm not about to sit there and do nice stuff because you look nice. It's a lot of women that uses this type of behavior to get what they want out of dudes, and a lot of dudes, they weak-minded. They fall for just looks and do stupid things to please women. I'm not doing that because that's just not me, and I don't recommend you keep screwing dudes over like this. Where we at? This one guy buys me roses like once a month, and I think it's sweet of him. Ah, so nice, so sweet. Ooh, it's just simp stuff, man. Like, what are you buying this woman roses for, dude? Like, if you're not even with her, you up there buying her roses. She's not even your girl. I don't recommend no man watching the video buying buying flowers for a woman that he's not even with. Like, what do you think you're gonna get some bonus points? Like, you up to doing this nice crap, like trying to be a nice guy. That stuff, this is stuff you see in the movies. This movie talk, man. Don't believe it. In real life, women use men that do, buying roses and stuff for females. Let's see. It said this one guy buys me roses like once a month, and I think it's sweet of him, but I don't like him. Not even respect it. Well, exactly what I expected. But I don't like him, and I want the roses to keep coming. Cause you see, he using them. Like it don't even sound cool. Like for you to keep doing it. I know it's a nice gesture, and you feel special because he buying you stuff, buying you roses. But at the same time, I'm pretty sure the dude wants you, but you allowing him to trick himself into doing stupid things that won't even get him what he want from you. It says, I do like this other guy, but he doesn't do any of the stuff I like. You see, that's what it is. Like a lot of times people like the opposite of what they want. Like this dude, the reason you like him because he's not giving you the same stupid attention like the other dudes. This other dude right here buying you flowers. This man is doing nothing, and you want him to go run your gut scene and blow your back out and everything, and he ain't even doing nothing for you. Like, what do you gain from that? Like, that's just how women is, and that's just how life is. You know, you want the things you can't have. It says, how can I make the guy I do like do the same stuff as a guy buying me roses? He ain't gonna do that. It's not his nature. If he was gonna buy you roses like a little turkey, then he would have been sliding on roses on your desk. Well, he probably looking at the other dude like, man, you such a damn chicken. I would never do this. That's what he probably thinking, you know. So y'all both work in this location. Well, all three of y'all work in this location, and he probably looking at this dude shaking his head. You sitting there trying to lure him to doing the same thing. I'm proud of him for not doing the same thing, because a smart man is not about to be buying no random woman at the office no flowers, you know. So that's my take on that one right there. It says, for the final one, it's real short. It says, what's dude? I'm assuming that's what's up, dude. So what's good? It says, if you are trying to talk to a woman at work, would you try pickup lines or just wing it? I mean, I'm just gonna wing it. You know, depending on how this scenario turns out is how I'm gonna respond to it. You know, you got these pickup artists and stuff out here. I'm not one of them. If it feels right, it feels right. If I feel like I don't have to put in much effort, then I'm going for it. Like me personally, what I would do is this, you know, seeing that I'm an engineer, I'm not like a regular dude that just always in the office. So when I pop up, I'm there for a few hours and I'm gone. So and then I make sure I look nice, because I want to make sure I look and feel good no matter where I go. I want the compliments. I want the woman to notice me. So when I walk in the door, they turn heads. Well, I turn heads and they know, like, oh man, that dude look good. You know, so when I come in there, I'm not there for too long, and I don't have time to be chit-chatting all day. So I just tell the woman this normally, like, hey man, you seem like you got a lot to say, you look cute and everything, but I got to get out of here real soon. So here's my phone, you know, put your contact in there and let's talk. Like I said in the other video, I said the exact same thing, you know, and 1 to 3 scenarios gonna happen. One, once I give her my phone, she put a number, now I'm just gonna text her. And once I text her, she's either gonna respond back to that text within, you know, a day or so, or a few hours, who knows. That's one, and that's cool, you know, because now we start a conversation. Number 2, she won't respond, and that's cool, because I don't give a crap, you know. I'm not there thirsty over no women. Number 3, maybe she gave me a fake number, but either way, it doesn't matter to me, because I'm not calling her. I already did my part. I sit there and restart first. If you don't respond, then obviously you don't care, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. You know, that's how I am when it comes to a woman at work, because I don't have time to be gawking over women. I see women every day. I don't remember half these women's faces or names, you know, so it don't even bother me one bit. And that's the same mentality you gotta have. You gotta have that abundance mentality where you don't care if you see a woman or a woman rejects you or if she wants you, any of that. I'm at the point, like I said, I don't care. If you want me, then I want you, but if you don't, I don't. Alright, this is my summary and everything about the whole thing about women taking your energy and wasting your time. So if you want to be in the friend zone for a very long time, then keep letting women you find attractive waste your time. Otherwise, let her know you're not trying to be her friend, and go for a number. It could be Facebook, it could be her Instagram, her IG, it could be Snapchat, whatever you need. You know, I take it all. You know, other than that, this your boy TyShawn, and I'm out.